I got a new kitten, and we have this old thing, which is actually really good. I'm just gonna move it somewhere else. I'm gonna insert a clip here. You're gonna see my big Siberian cat, my new little kitten. We needed a place for them both to sleep in the bedroom. And here we have the Mau Cento in white. We're gonna unbox it and put it together for you in this video. And we're gonna put it right here where this is at. We're gonna see the difference. So let's go. So apparently every part of this is replaceable, which is really nice. First of all, they sent me this nice little, what is this? It's like a little kitty look. Oh, look at that. It's a kitty. And inside it is a certificate, 1 tree planted. That's pretty cool. So hopefully this is not too difficult to put together. We're gonna find out together. All right, we got 2 baskets. 1 for each kitten. These things are pretty big, as you can see, which is good because my 4-year-old Siberian is a huge boy and the girl's gonna be huge as well. These are solid, like solid wood. Very solid. This is very good quality. Very good quality. I mean, solid wood. All right. And this is the tunnel that they go in. This is very soft. There's the tunnel. Very, very soft. Here's the bottom. And again, this thing is heavy. I think it's plywood, but it's very heavy, very solid. And then we got, this is for the baskets, I'm pretty sure. And then we have the clawing things here. And lastly, we have the box of tools. Let's get it put together. Let's get this box out of the way. All right, as you can see, my Siberian has joined us. Let's see if he'll maybe sit in one real quick while we put this together. Zeus? Zeusy? He's very interested in something outside right now. Zeus? We'll come back if he sits in there. Well, we'll be here this whole time anyways together, so. Let's get this little box of stuff opened. We got our parts. There's not too many in here. And we have our assembly instructions. We're gonna cut to make this quick during parts though. Okay, so apparently step 1 is to get these poles in here. And then we're gonna screw in the top. So this is gonna hold this together. Let's see if we can get the pole to go in. There's 1. 2 and 3. That wasn't too bad. Now we got to find the holes and make sure they match up with these big screws here. All right, with some movie magic, we got all 3 screws in without too much trouble. You just have to line up the hole on the bottom. And of course, you can just reach inside here to kind of make adjustments. So all 3 screws are now in. And let's move on to step 2. This is what it's looking like so far. Pretty nice. All right, so step 2 is we got to put the holes through the top now, and they have white screws for this part, so they kind of blend in. So make sure you use the white ones for the top, the silver ones for the bottom. Just like that. First screw is going in. Honest assessment, it is not easy to get these lined up because you can't really see where the holes are at. You got to basically move it around. But we did get all 3 done after a little bit of work. It wasn't really that hard. It was just a little difficult to find the hole on each part. But this base is fully complete. Let's go on to step 3. Actually, let's go on to step 2. That was still step 1. Step 1 is top and bottom of the base here, the cat house. Step 2 is we're going to attach everything to this bottom part. We're going to attach the poles. We're going to attach this. So let's get it together. All right, I think for the next part, we're gonna turn this upside down, now right here, and then we're gonna line up this hole like that. And then we have a washer we're gonna put on, and there's only 1 huge bolt like that. So we're gonna put this, line this up, make sure it goes all the way through in the hole, just like that. And we're gonna use our tool to tighten it. That was way easier than the other one I had to do earlier, or those other 6. That was super simple. Let's make sure this is straight. I think that's pretty good. Perfect. All right. Now then we're going to attach one of the legs. I don't know if it matters which leg I think it doesn't matter which leg we're doing. Let's see. All right, short leg goes on this side, which is right here. Does it matter which side is up or down? I don't think it is. All right, so again, we got our bolt, we got our washer. We're gonna push it through. There it is. Now we're going to screw it on here, like so. All right, turn it around so you guys can see. This part's pretty easy. We're just screwing it in. Perfect. Make sure it's nice and tight. Feels pretty good. Boom, look at that. We are moving right along. All right, last washer and bolt. This is the last washer they give. Well, the last big washer. They have some small washers. We're going through the top here. We're gonna put the long one. Again, I don't think it really matters which way you go here. Perfect. That was actually really easy too. All right, we got it tight. This thing is solid. Looking good. It's looking good. All right, we're on step 3, the final step. We're just gonna attach the baskets. That's it. Should be pretty easy. I have all these extra small washers. What were these for? I don't know what these small washers are. We're just gonna hope for the best. This also came with catnip. All right, so for this last part, it comes with 2 double-sided threads. Should be really easy. Screw one in here. Just like that. Screw one in here. Just like that. Now then, we're just gonna set this down and twist it till it's on. That one's done. This goes inside, so there's nothing that holds it in, like no kind of Velcro or anything, which is kind of surprising. I thought it would have like something to make sure it locks in, but I'm guessing it'll be okay. All right, last piece of the puzzle. And just like that, we are good. What do you think? Looks pretty nice. I gotta look at it myself. Looks pretty nice. All right, so we're gonna replace that with this thing. Look how tall it is. Look how tall it is. All right, let's get our final look. And there it is. Let me see if I can get a good view for you guys. That is how tall it is. It goes all the way up to the little fireplace we have. But yeah, it looks really nice, really solid. Let's see if I can get one of my kittens to come lay in it. All right, we got our big 4-year-old huge Siberian in here. And he seems to like it. He seems to like it. Let's go, what a win. Zeus, say hi to everybody. Say, what's up guys? I love my new bed. All right, that's it. The Mau Cento. Ta-da.